In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Remove tool. The Remove tool is an AI-powered tool that lets you paint or select over unwanted objects, and Photoshop intelligently removes them, blending the background seamlessly. I'll show you two methods to remove objects in Photoshop. Method first, Remove tool. When we select an object using the Selection tool, or paint over it with the Selection brush tool. The Remove tool appears in the contextual taskbar. In the Photoshop beta version, this tool has been greatly improved and works very well. When I click on it, Photoshop automatically removes the object. The best part is that it doesn't use your AI credits. Let's try it again. And as you can see, it works perfectly. Method second, generative fill. Now let me show you the second method. First, make a selection around the object. Then, click on Generative Fill. In the text box, type Remove and generate the result. This time, Photoshop uses AI credits, but it provides 3 variations, and you can choose the one that looks best. So, it really depends on you which method you prefer to use for removing objects in Photoshop. Let me show you one more example. First, we'll use the Remove tool and check the result. Then, we'll use Generative Fill to remove the same object. If you're not satisfied with one method, you can always switch to the other. Both work effectively. And that's how you use the Remove tool from Photoshop. Just select the tool, paint over distractions, and Photoshop automatically removes them with AI precision. It's fast, intuitive, and perfect for cleaning up photos in seconds.